Okay, today we're looking at a 2015 Honda Fit, and we're going to remove the rear garnish behind the rear door. And I broke mine on the other side doing this, so hopefully this will show you how to remove it without breaking it. So let's go take a look at the other side. I do have it off, and these are the holes that the garnish locks into. Now there's one that's really important, and it's the one with the screw. The others just kind of slide on there, and I'm going to show you. These little notches here on the garnish just kind of slide up. It slides right down into place. The top one slides in, and the top one moves a little bit there, as you can see. And that's where the screw comes in, right there. So that's the important one, because you have to remove that first, and I didn't, and that's why it broke. Now you got to come on the inside of the door. There's a piece of plastic trim here. It easily pops out. I popped it out on the other side also. And after you pop that out, you're going to look at this screw right down there, and you got to push down on the trim a little bit because it's very narrow to get a screwdriver in there. But you have to remove that screw, and that releases the garnish. And once it's released, you can push it right up and it'll come right out, and it'll work real well. This is where I broke mine off, so you don't want to do this because now I got to buy another piece of garnish, and that's about $28 with Honda. So that's where it goes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you to the other side where I haven't taken it off yet, and we're going to remove that one properly, and we're going to do it so we don't break the garnish. So let's do that right now. Okay, now let's go to the other side where I'll show you how to do this. There's that little screw that I'm going to take out, and be careful you don't drop this in the door frame there, otherwise you'll be pulling that inside panel out to get it. And so I'm going to unscrew it here, and I apologize for that nice shot of my back and that shirt. I'll try to speed this up a little bit so you don't have to look at my back. But there it is. It's a little screw, so it's easy to fall down there, so be careful. And you don't want to be fishing it out of there. Once that screw is out, I'm just going to grab the garnish, and I'm going to just lift it straight up. Just go straight up. Just slide it up, and it comes right off. Easy. Nothing breaks. See, there's a nice piece of garnish. Now I don't have to buy a new garnish for this side. So hopefully this helps you. And please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Take care.